Yeah, well, last night I saw you standing, and I started pretending I knew you, and you knew me too. Oh, yeah, and just like a Roni, you were too shy. And you weren't the only one, so was I. And I dreamed of you ever since. Now I've built up my confidence. Next time you come my way, I'll know just what to say. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Hey,